In this video, I'll show you how you can save your work in Adobe Express. So if you're worried about it, if you've done a lot of work on a project and you're worried it's going to all be erased and you've done it for nothing, then this video will clear your mind. So Adobe Express actually automatically saves your work. It saves it to the cloud. And you can see here that if we go to File, there is no save option, right? Now, you could go ahead and download your work. So if you go to Share, you will be able to save to the cloud. You will also be able to download in some circumstances. So you've got here the download button, which you could click on, and you could download in a specific file type. But if you were just worried about saving it so you can come back to it later, or so your project stays in Adobe Express, just go back to Adobe Express, click on the logo, and then if you want to find your work again, go to your stuff, and you'll see it in your files. It will be the most recent one, and here it is. So everything automatically saves in Adobe Express. Don't worry, it will still be there.